Ngabana Okoth Obado, Michael Oyamo, Caspal Obiero, Ekuirwo atatu njuragano-ini ya Sharon Oteino, uria wari murutwo university-ini ya Rongo, magucoketio igooti-ini kumenya kana nimakarekererio na mbund thutha wao guikara rumande kwa ihinda ria makiria ma thiku 10. Igooti rigitia ihoya ria mwena wa thitango ria kunyitithania macira ma Ekuirwo aya atatu na uguo mathomerwo thitango weru.
The three of you, that is Okoth Obado, number 1, number 2, Michael Oyamo, and number 3, Caspal Obiero, between the 3rd and the 4th of September this year at Owada area in Rachuonyo sub-county within Homa Bay County, joined with others who are not before the court, you murdered Sharon Oteino.
No to utu o umwe wao ongererwo thitango ingi makiria ya uragani kuona hindi ya gikuo giake Sharon ari na mwana nda. Othe atatu magekana thitango ici mbere ya mucirithania Receipt. Gikari-ini giki kia igooti hamwe na family ya Sharon kuneana affidavits mbere ya igooti, kiama kia mawakiri atumia bururi-ini FIDA gigiikia ihoya igooti-ini gwitikirio kunyita itemi cira-ini uyu.
For the first accused, we also seeking leave to file affidavit in response to the one filed by FIDA on behalf of the family.
Mucirithania Receipt mugaru na uria gukwirigirirwo agitiriria itua ria kurekia Ekuirwo aya na mbund nginyagia njumaa turorete tariki 12 mathaa-ini ma miaraho.
We are meeting on the 12th of October at 2:30 for the bill.
Kwa ihinda ria thiku 5 thiru, Ngabana Obado akoretwo akiamukira urigiti thibitari-ini nene ya Kenyatta thutha wake kurwarira njera-ini ya industrial area kuria mohetwo rumande. Ngabana uyu gukorwo atekuigua wega ari kimwe kia itumi iria mawakiri yake mahuthirite ihoya-ini ria urieru ria kwenda igooti rimurekererie na mbund. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.